So I am really excited about today's video because I have a very special unboxing. I say unboxing, it didn't come in a box. Unpackaging. So this beautiful package is from an amazing new dancewear brand called Retro Dancewear. They are a new brand based in America and they have just come out with their first collection. Now I've been following the brand founder for I think about a year or so now, since she announced that this was something that she was going to do, because I always wanted more cute, like vintage inspired athletic wear. So much of it is so boring and so black and so basic and not fun and not flattering, and I was not here for that. So she reached out to me and offered to send me a set of my choice from the first collection, and I picked the gorgeous Betty set. And she's open! Okay, so... Aww. Lady Lynn has left a really cute note in here, and you have this gorgeous little note with a discount code for my next order. Oh heck yeah. And this is the brand logo. So pretty. So I ordered the Betty set. Whee! So that comes with a pair of leggings and a top. That really fun thing of trying to film on my phone and for YouTube at the same time. This comes with a top and a pair of leggings. So I've just opened the bag. I like the fabric. I think I've got the leggings. Yep. So I'm a UK size 10 and I ordered these in a small. I am going to try these on, but they have the really pretty logo on the back. They look to be nice and high-waisted. I'm very excited to give them a try. And then I got the Betty top as well. This is the one I was really excited for. Which way does it go? Which way does it go? Which way does it go? Very excited, so let's get trying these on. Obviously I'm not going to whip off my dress on the internet, but I can give you some initial thoughts. So they're nice and stretchy, which is good for me because I got powerful calves. Really humid in my house. Is there anything better than the getting on leggings bend? What is that in my garden? Oh, it's a pigeon. Okay, the leggings are on, super comfy. So now let's get on the top. Sure, it goes this way. There we go. Whee! I mean, need I say more? I want to say more, but I just want to let you have a look at it first. So this feels delightful. No joke, this feels absolutely gorgeous. Solid. The ladies are staying in their assigned seats, and that is what you want from activewear. This is so comfy. I am in love with this top. I knew the top was going to be the thing that I was going to love the most, but I'm still pleasantly surprised by how much I love it. It has such a gorgeous shape. Look at that with the cutout and the crossover straps here. It is so comfy. There is padding in here, which I believe you can take out if you would rather not have the padding on. It feels really weird to see myself in like activewear, but it's great. These leggings are so comfortable. So you can see, I just wanted to show off, they go down to just about my ankle. They are really comfy. They feel like they're gonna stay here. They're not going anywhere. I love this logo. This is so pretty. I feel just really comfortable and really confident in this set. I think if you are specifically looking for new activewear, this would be a really gorgeous set to have. I would be so happy to do any sort of physical exercise or dance training or anything in this. It feels pretty lightweight. It's really hot and humid in my house right now. My bedroom is directly next to the immersion heater for our house, and it is sun facing, so it just is a sauna in here. But I'm really happy. I don't feel like this is disgusting and I want to get it off me right now. It feels like it's going to keep me pretty temperate and very comfortable. So this is gorgeous. I love the red. I love how it looks with my pink hair. That is just, it does good things for my figure and for my confidence, and I feel like I have all of the mobility and comfort and coverage and everything that I would want from good activewear. I feel like I have. So this has been my unboxing and my first thoughts on the incredible Betty set from Retro Dancewear. Again, I am not being in any way paid or receiving any sort of commission or anything for doing this video. I purely had Lady Lynn reach out to me and ask if I wanted to do an unboxing video in exchange for receiving these products. She wanted honest, completely off the dome, completely honest first thoughts, and that is what I have given. So I really hope that you enjoyed this. I will leave the link to Retro Dancewear down below in case you want to get yourself a fabulous new workout set. They do have a couple of different options. You can see here, hopefully, wait, there we go. They have quite a few different products. They have tights. And it's just awesome to be supporting a small startup business, especially right now. So I would definitely recommend ow, I just dropped that on my foot. 2 enthusiastic thumbs up from me. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it spread some happiness and sparkles into your day. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, maybe subscribe to join my little Vintage Darlings family, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Mwah! I feel like I need to do those like aerobics videos, you know, where they do like this stuff, or where they're like pulsing. Fun fact, I never ever used to like working out, and then at the start of last year I got really into the idea of trying to get stronger because I have always had terrible arm strength, and now I can do like 9 push-ups. My chest does not touch the floor, but my back is straight, and I'm really proud of that. So give 'em the old razzle dazzle, razzle dazzle. Ha! See? Staying in place. I don't know why we have to do like the bend and snap to prove it, but why not? Cute in the front and cute in the back.